Hello students, I hope you all are fine. IG Singh from Colonel's Brighton Public School will teach you computer of grade 6. So this is a part 1 video for the chapter 4 uh, Microsoft Excel 2016. So let's start.
This is very interesting chapter. In the previous class you were introduced to one of the most popular spreadsheet software is that Excel 2016, widely used to process complicated mathematical calculations. It allows you to store, organize and analyze the information. You learnt about the basic features like how to enter data, perform calculation and save the workbook. In this chapter, we will discuss the various ways to select and enter data, modify the cell content, insert or delete cells or columns or rows using autofill and flash fill feature. Students, let's know the fact. When you open Excel 2016 for the first time, the Excel start screen will appear. From here, you can create a new worksheet, choose a template and access your recently edited workbooks. Okay, let's how to selecting cells. We often need to select a group of cells to perform various operations such as copying, moving, inserting and deleting. Selection can be made by any of the following. To select row and columns, click the row or column heading. Entire workbooks, entire worksheet. For the entire worksheet, Control A or click the Select All button located at the top of the first row heading. Adjacent rows and columns, select the first row or column, then hold down the Shift key while you select the last row or column. For the non-adjacent rows and columns, click the row or column, then hold down the Control key while you select to the other rows or column for the selection. Let's take a quick view, students. Press Control plus Shift plus 7 to apply online border to around the selected cell or range of the cells. Let's know how to entering numbers as a text. If a number is entered in the format such as 01481, Excel will drop the leading 0. To preserve the leading 0 required in case of telephone area codes, roll number, etc. An apostrophe before the number like this 01481. The data is now treated as a text and display in the same format as it has been entered. Typically, formulas will treat the entry as a 0 and function will be ignore it. Students, let's take a quick view. To enter data in multiple lines in the same cell, use Alt plus Control key combination. Let's know how to entering date and time. In the spreadsheet, select the cell and type the date and time. You can separate the date elements with a slash or a hyphen. Use format such as 11 October 2005. Excel recognizes and supports a variety of date formats. To display the enter date in different formats, select the cell containing the date. Click on the format drop down button in the cells group on the home tab and select the format cells option. In the format cells dialog box, choose any desired format of date by clicking on the date option in the category list on the number tab. Similarly, you can choose different time or format by clicking on the time option in the category list. Then OK. Changing cell contents. This is a new topic. The characters and numbers typed in a worksheet can be seen both in cell as well as on the formula bar. दोनों में शो होगा वो. Enter the contents. The press either the enter key or the enter button on the formula bar to accept the entry. When you type in the new data in the cell, the two buttons cancel and enter present on the left of the formula bar become active. Cell contents can be modified in two ways. दो तरीके से मॉडिफाई करते हैं. रिप्लेसिंग सेल कंटेंट्स और दूसरा है यूजिंग एडिट मोड. या तो रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं या उसे एडिट मोड से किया जा सकता है. You can edit the cell contents directly and replace them with a new entry. Okay. Open a new worksheet and type in the data as shown in the figure. इस टाइप से डेटा टाइप करेंगे. Select the cell, let us say D6, whose content has to be changed. Now type 65 in that cell and press the enter key. Note that the previous value 56 is replaced with the 65. Change हो गई वो. Similarly, try to change the contents of the other cell. Students, let's have no fact. To clear the contents of the cell, select the cell and click on the clear button in the editing group on the home tab. Select clear contents option. You can also clear the contents of the cell by selecting the content and then pressing the delete key. Next mode, using edit mode, and select the cell D6. हमने D6 cell को select किया. Double click on the cell. Double click किया. The inserting point will be blank with the cell. ठीक है. Note that the edit mode is indicated on the left side of the status bar. Position the pointer at the desired place and change the content. Press the enter key. The changes will be entered in the current cell. Notice the edit mode indicator changes to ready mode. So we can also edit the cell content in the following ways. Select the cell and then click on the formula bar. Move the pointer to the position where you want to insert characters. Now make the required modifications in the formula bar. Turn on the overtype mode by double click on the cell. When your overtype mode is turned on, the cursor changes into a blinking bar and characters the right of the blinking bar gets highlighted. Press the insert key from the keyboard. Start typing in the cell. The existing characters will get replaced with the new characters. So you typed in. Students, you can change the cell contents by pressing F2 key after selecting the cell. The cursor will blank at the end of the cell content, editing of the cell content in Excel can be carried out into the same ways as explained. Using undo and redo features. After making modification in a cell, you may wish to cancel the changes and retrieve the previous data. The undo the last action. To undo the last actions performed, use the undo button and use the quick access toolbar. The redo command is used to quickly repeat the last actions that you have undone using undo command. To do so, and click on the redo button on the quick access toolbar. Students, let's have a quick view. To repeat most command or actions, press F4 keys. Dear students, there are some tips for you, and you can use the shortcut keys Ctrl plus Z for undo and Ctrl plus Y for redo action. Some actions cannot be undone, such as clicking any command on the File tab menu. If the command or the action cannot be undone, the undo button changes into can't undo, and some actions such as using a function in a cell cannot be repeated. If the commands or the action cannot be repeated, the redo button changes into can't repeat it. Okay, thank you very much students to watching this video, and stay safe, stay healthy, and subscribe this channel